We have three emphases. There's a traditional geology emphasis, or it gives you a lot of flexibility in like the job market. We also have a geophysics emphasis, and that emphasis is unique in that it's one of the few that's dedicated to undergraduates. And then we have an environmental geoscience emphasis, which is where I tend to do a lot of my classes.
I chose Cal Poly Pomona because I really like their motto of learn by doing. I feel like I'm a very hands-on person, so the field trips are very beneficial to me.
You get to apply whatever you learn to like on the field. You're like, oh hey, I learned this last week and I'm able to witness all of it and I could comprehend it.
I think that the professors are really accessible for me to always ask questions and get help. And in the same way in the field, like practicing with the equipment and actually getting to know how the work will be, I think is what really helps in the program.
I would suggest this program to other people because of the community, the field trips, and the professors.
We have some of the best field experience that you can get. I've talked with other majors and other schools. What we do, we get to see everything. Southern California is one of the best spots probably in the world for geology. Our textbooks are pictures of the Mojave Desert.
Geology is one of those degrees that there's lots of employment opportunities. You can be in a geotechnical or environmental consulting field where you may be hired by a corporation to do an environmental test, or you can work on projects such as building roads and make sure they're safe.
I got my degree from Cal Poly Pomona in geology, and it prepared me for graduate school. I worked as a geotechnical engineer, I taught high school and middle school, and now I am a professor here at Cal Poly Pomona teaching engineering geology.
With a geology degree, you can go to work for water agencies, environmental agencies, engineering, construction companies, hydrocarbon exploration areas, also geologic modeling, tectonics.
Our department has a long and well-established history of producing students that know how to do geology, and the industry is aware of that. They hire our students all the time for that reason.
I am a contract mining geologist. Right now I'm working out in the Mojave Desert at a town called Atolia, and we're looking at tungsten, gold, and silver. I travel to look at rocks all around the western United States.
Our program prepares students for successful careers, and in fact, one example of that is the State Geologist for California is an alumnus of our department.
I am 110% confident that I could, as soon as I graduate, I could go out, find a job, and succeed.
Here at Cal Poly Pomona, we don't just learn by doing, we become by doing.